The NBA.com. This is John's report is for the 3rd, and get ready for 4th of July break here. The market is just pretty much trading sideways. We got a little bit of an uptick at this particular stage, but with MBI white poking through and the potential of magenta pivoting, hasn't dipped back below the 25. If it does, that is problematic for a move up. You've also had the orange here on DOC well past green now, and you're fading of short-term buyers. So the people who've been holding things up starting to show a little bit of weakness. Likewise, you're seeing that already from the Nasdaq. It already had pivoted lower, but you don't have the same short increase. So just tired market, I think, is the best. No one really has a clear idea what's going to happen with this. Fine oil's down, but enough? No. And this is still a tension premium, and it looks like the concept is that Trump and them are accepting defeat, that they're not willing to go back to the military strikes. Iran is pretty much saying we're not doing any of the things that we agreed to, because what are you going to do about it? And your only choice is to go and bomb them more and create more turmoil. But people need that oil, and they got to fill up those reserves. So it's very big excitement for the euro because they consider the U.S. Falling apart, fading, and with distraction of the fourth holiday, the markets can do all sorts of fun things with everyone already having left to take a nice long week. Gold finally doing a little bit of a pop up, and that's congruent with the magenta leading at this particular stage. You had the orange dip below, so all those configurations were buy signals there. Same thing even with Bitcoin here later on. Will it get over the 23%? Well, it better hurry up, because if it doesn't, you got a problem. But you've got this orange, as long as it stays below the green, it could be a decent rally to 38% or more, depending on how much it holds on to it. And it's been pretty depressed. So you're at a stage where there probably just aren't that many people who are interested in selling at this particular, unless they have to. From a 50K standpoint, we had a nice little bump up, created a new high, but you filled all the way back in. And now you're just returning right back to that mean. So we've got that mean average somewhere right here, and that 75.50 range is sort of the middle cap, and trading above and below it at this particular stage, unless something major happens. And it doesn't seem like it with the fourth holiday. Everyone's going to be happy-go-lucky, so we should be able to plus side buys. But you can see the moves from intraday are still excellent. You get the nice push to the upside. We went red, and it was a little choppy at the beginning, but once we continued to fail at 38% levels, we got one move that took us to the 50, but that one really created the impetus lower, and it just drug everything down in a pretty consistent way. And then later in the day, of course, you had your post-day buyers lifting things up, and this is where we are from the Asian session and that. So all happiness, go lucky, ready for big celebrations, fireworks. Hope everyone has a great time. Enjoy yourselves. Anything relevant, I'll put it on our team chat, but I think that they're going to be pretty excited to go into the holiday with a little bit of joy and festivity. So that's the general view. Have a good one. Trade well.